create dynamic panel. Create one page. Right click, create dynamic panel. So you can keep a content here. And just duplicate. Now close it. We need to create buttons to perform this action. Now select all button, right click, style effect, selected field color. If you want to keep the background color, field color, and if you want to give the font color, done. Now we will give states. So this is selected, this is selected. When it is selected, their color will be different. Click or tab, set selected checked, this widget true. Before that, you select all, take the selection group, any name you can give, just I have given the tab. So it will be in one group. So when we click or tab, it will selected the latest one. Or either you can do one more thing, just copy this, Ctrl C and paste it. Now we have this state 1, 2, 3, 4. So how we'll set this and here set panel state, this dynamic panel state 1. Same set panel state, this state 2. Set panel state step 3, and same set panel state state 4. So now we'll preview. So now it's changing here. So tab is working fine. In our lesson, style interactions, click or tap interactions, style effect, set selected checked, set panel state interaction, and finally tab menu. These all are covered here. Thank you.